Okay, hi, this is Database Systems Homework 2. I had to write an SQL Workbench project having this database that I downloaded from Moodle. I had a little trouble downloading and using it in my SQL Workbench, but I went to server, data import after I created your homework on schema. So here is my code written here and explain it step by step. First one, get all the orders that are on hold and have comments explaining the reason for being on hold. First, I went select all from practice orders. Here are all the orders I have. So we can see the status is shipped, cancelled, progress, resolved, on hold, and get all the orders that are on hold and have comments explaining the reason for being on hold. So for that I have to select order number, status, and comments that I have in my orders table. And from orders, here we can see that where status is on hold and comments is not null. Because I need to see the comments explaining why is it on hold, why is it cancelled. Comments can be null. You can see here there are some that are null, and we need only the ones that are on hold. So if I run this, I'm gonna have only 4 outputs. I have order numbers, status on hold, and the comments. Use string concatenation to display the same result of question 1 in the following format. The order numbers, the status, because comments. So to have a nice output that explains everything in a more human-friendly way, second exercise says to do the same thing but concatenate it to have a nice output. So for that I need to use the same 3 columns and concatenate it to have a better output. I'm using concat, and the order, it outputs the order, then adds the order number, this one's, is status from like status and because explanation as order info. So concat as order info is the syntax of this function. I'm choosing the orders because that's the table where I have my order name, status, and comments, and I need only statuses that have on hold and comments that are not null, the same way as in the last exercise. So I run this, I have this really nice output here. The order is on hold because very nice, and you can see right here that everything is going great. Okay, the next exercise. Get all the employees that include substring in their last name. Order them by alphabetical order of their first name. So last name and first name are in our employees column, as you can see here. Employees, last name, first name. So first I need to choose my employees table, from which I only need first name and last name. I don't need any extra information. Select first name, last name from employees, and I need only the ones that have substring er in them. I'm using like for that. Percentage shows that you can have anything before and after er. For example, it can be server, it has s before er, and the last ER have nothing afterwards, so it gives me freedom to have any word before and any sub no, anything before and after ER. If I wrote, for example, like this, I will only have words that end with ER. Okay, let me get it back. Okay, where last name like ER, and I mean, which means last name ends with ER. Order by first name ASC. ASC gives me the alphabetical order of the by the first name. So if I run this, I'm gonna have alphabetical order of the first name, A after G, then M, then S. And we have last name. See, ER here, ER here, ER here. None of the Bana, all of them here are in the middle except for Fixer. So our percentage ER percentage works great. For example, if I run select first name, last name from employees, well, let's run only this one. Wait, I forgot this. I'm gonna have a really long list. Murphy, for example, here doesn't have ER. If I add, okay, if I have only this, I will have a bigger output than I had in here. Okay, see, it's so much bigger. I mean, no, it's not bigger because we're only taking the last names with ER. It's the same amount, but it's not alphabetical. For example, if I take this out and only have this, I'm gonna have the same amount of rows as I had without this row, but it's not gonna be only with ER. See? Okay, I'm gonna delete this. We don't need this. So let's make our code prettier. Control. Okay, much better. We're here. No. Okay, this is the next one. Let's see what we need to do here. Get all the okay, this one. Okay, get how many employees occupy each office. When I see how many, I already know I'm gonna use count. Employees occupy each office. So our table is employees here. We're selecting only office code, employees, office code, and employee count, because we need to know how many of the employees how many employees occupy each office. So we're gonna have office code, and in front of each office code we're gonna have the number of employees. Count employee number as employee count from employees, group by office code. Group by office code because we don't really care the employees are here. We only care which office has how many people. So if I run this, office code we have 1 through 7 and number of employees in each office code. Office code 1 seems very crowded. Okay, it works. It's very simple. I don't think it's a further explanation. Next one. Get how many orders each customer has placed, categorize by each order status. Okay, customers, orders, So we need customer number, status, count order number as order count. We need to know how many. Wait, I forgot what it said. Get how many orders each customer has placed, categorized by each order status. So just like the fourth one, we need to know the number of customers, each customer's order number. But in the fourth one, we needed to categorize by office code. Here we need to do the opposite. Um, so if I'm obviously using the orders table, I'm grouping by customer number and status. Status is on column. Okay, I run this. We have customer number, order count. See, we have the number of customers and how many orders they have ordered. Okay. See, by using set membership, list the employees associated with customers who have not placed any orders in the year of 2003. So we are gonna use date here. How do you choose a date or concat find something in the date? Here I need a year, so I'm gonna only use year and number of the name of the column that I'm gonna use. So select E employee number, E first name, E last name. From employees E. Because we have a lot of usage of employees, I chose to write employees E to have E as employees. I changed the name just for this function to make it easier for me. So I'm gonna need employee number, first name and last name. I'm using only those, so I don't have extra information in there. From employees, you can see in here that here, last name, first name, and employee number. We're gonna join customers and employee number on sales representative employees. Customers, sales representative employee number. I'm joining them because I need functions from both of them. So if I look here, by using set membership, list the employees associated with the customers who have not placed any orders in the 2003. So order date is here in orders, and customer employee. Wait, I forgot. Yes, list the employees. So I need the employee table associated with the customers who have not placed any orders in the year of 2003. So I need the employees and the customers that had their sales representative employee number. So sales representative employee number is gonna match with our employees employee number, and to have a better understanding who the employee number represents, I'm gonna have last name and first name. So, and I need customer number, not in customer number. So here I joined the two tables. Customer C on C is my customers as the same way as employees. I named customers C on E employee number equals C sales representative employee number. So sales representative is just the number of the employee that helped a certain customer on that sale. So I need more information. That's why I'm using where see customer, not in select customer name. from orders because I need information about I'm concentrated on the orders table. I just need employee information from employees where year order date is 2003. So I only need uh, information from 2003. So if I run this, we're gonna have employee number, first name and last name. That is from 2003 and sales representative of our customers. Okay, so this is all. I don't know what else to tell. I think I covered it all. Whatever I didn't explain, I think was too simple. I really like the control B, how it makes everything so pretty. Thank you for watching me. Hope everything was clear. Bye.